So one of the ways we're going to apply this combination of the vermiculite, the bone meal and the compost with the fertilizer is simply taking one part each and creating a cocktail. And using this cocktail to do a bit of top dressing on our plants, very simply like this. And we're not going to work this in too much today because it's been raining, so the rain is going to really work this into the soil. But this is the simple combination that we take, which works really well actually.